Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some stuff I picked up on Temu again. These are my Temu finds. I think I got about 7 items, all for the garage, automotive kind of stuff. And we're going to open it up quick together, see what it looks like, and then maybe even try to use it and see if it's a good deal. Alright? And also, if you use my link, you get $100 in coupons. They give you all different stuff, free shipping. You'll be amazed, man. Download it. Hit it up. I use it all the time. It is not a scam. I've been ordering stuff from these guys for, I don't know, way over 6 months now, and they've never missed a shipment. Okay, let's see. I even forget what I order sometimes. Okay, I got a little universal wrench. One side's 15 to 24 millimeter, the other side's 18 to 14. And I was thinking something like this would be perfect for in a vehicle. You ever got stuck on the side of the road? You don't need a whole bunch of wrenches. You just use this one, and it does that whole range. So we're going to test it out on a couple different nuts, and we'll see how it adjusts and how it could be used. So pretty cool. Yeah. These. This is the chamfer the ends of bolts that maybe got ruined or you can't thread into them anymore. And I thought this was pretty cool. They actually give you 2 of them. It was pretty cheap. You put it over the bolt. You spin it. You put it in your, say you call it a screw gun, let's say. And you put it over the threads and let it spin, and it'll chamfer the end of it for you so that you can get a good lead to get a nut on. So I thought that was pretty cool. I got 2 of those. I'll put the prices on the screen. I don't really remember the prices on them, but everything is great deals. That I can tell you. A chamfering bit. Another cool find. This is so you can put a countersink into something before you want to put, let's say, a countersunk head screw to make it flush. This does multiple diameters. So, pretty cool. Oh, it's even got the sizes on here. Looks like 7 millimeter to 20 millimeters in diameter. Oh, grommets. I got some black grommets. There's a few different sizes of them. I believe this pack maybe it was 50 pieces. I don't know if it doesn't say it on here, but this is for, you know, when you drill through a piece of metal and you want to run wiring through, which I do a lot of stuff on older cars. You can drill a hole, put one of these plugs in, and then run your wiring through it so you don't score your wires. Very cool. I will put the price of that also. A square. Looks like I have to put it together a little bit, but it's a drawing square for when you're doing woodwork and whatnot. Let's see, it goes like this. So it's a quick assemble. It's only 2 screws. I guess they do that so that it'll ship flat, won't get damaged. Has the 2 screws with it and the Allen key. So I'll put that together quick and I'll show you how that is. I mean, we're talking pretty much most of this stuff was either under $5 or between 5 and 10. If it was something larger like this tool here, where this has a push button and you can lock it all different diameters. And I know people have seen these selling from other people that they're pretty expensive, and the quality of this is just the same. I don't see anything wrong with this. Locks nice. Pretty cool. Comes in 3 different sizes as well. I think I picked the 8-inch, 8 or 10. I think it's an 8, a 10, and a 12. What else did I get today? Oh, I picked this up because I needed something to saw some branches once in a while. I thought it was pretty cool. Nice big handle, very sharp teeth. Yeah, this will probably cut pretty good. We could test that out as well. You hit this button, fold it up, leave it in your toolbox, ready to cut. Not bad. Said I'll leave all the prices. I don't remember the prices I paid for this stuff, but I know it was very good. Now we'll go ahead and I'll show you how they're used. You know, I also forgot to mention you can get free shipping and free returns on Temu. So there is no risk. You don't like it, you return it. Not a big deal. hundreds of items under $5. Sometimes I sit there for hours just scrolling through it and looking at some really cool stuff. If you want to get an extra 30% off as well, you can use my code. I'll put it up on the screen. TAX56042. Don't forget to use the code. You want to save some money. There it is. Pretty simple. Cool little square. Okay, for this little square, I mean, you can use this as a 90 to make sure something is square here. You can use it to lay across, score your material on both sides. You know, sometimes you score it across the top and you want to now cut it sideways and you didn't put a line there. You can do them both at once right there. Even has a little measurement here. It's 3 inches this way, and this way it looks like you got set up in quarters. You got quarter, half, 3/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1/4 this way, and 3 inches this way. So nice, you know, it's not huge, but it's good for some small jobs. You know, obviously it would be great for 2x4s because it's small. Even if a 4x4, if you want to sit it over a 4x4 and score it, you know, like a fence post, it'll work. Right, for the multi-wrench, I mean, if you have a hex, no matter what size it is, you can slide it over there, slide it in, and utilize it that way. This would be great even for somebody on a bike if they needed, you know, emergency change maybe a tube or whatever. Then on the other side, you got bigger. You can slide it in, and now you can use it for something larger. Take a lot of pressure. Look at that. Works perfect. Cool tool. This will be in my trunk in case I ever get stuck with my car and I need a wrench. Multiple diameters. Like I said, one side is 8 to 14 millimeter. The other side is 15 to 24. You can see that. I mean, as for this wrench, this is also probably a good tool to leave in your vehicle. Nice auto tool. You can grab it across the hexes. Like now, that was a little too big. You just adjust it a little bit. It locks. And boom, you're locked in there. It's not going anywhere. I like the way this locks in. It won't strip the head because of the 2 V-grooves. Very cool tool. That's that one. This, when I was talking about, this does a chamfer. Say you got a bolt like this, and the chamfer is all chewed up. You can put this in a vise or wherever it is. Shoot this over it. It'll spin and recut this chamfer. Man, this will do a lot of different diameters too. And they actually give you 2 in the set, so I got 2 of them. Give one to a friend. So that's that one. This here is to countersink. If I was going to put, you know, something in this wood and I wanted to countersink a screw head and leave it flush on the wood, you would utilize this, drill and get your countersink size that you want. Drill your regular hole and then put in your countersink. There you go. That'll work great. I do have one of these. I had an old one that was really worn out, and I'm glad I got a new one because I use it a lot. That's that one. The grommets, like I said, I mean, I don't need it right now, but when you do need it, the price I paid for these, if you went locally, you'd probably pay that price for one of them. And I think I got, there's probably 100 in here actually. I'll have to look up and see what I bought, but I'll put it on the screen. Very cool. I needed these when I was working on my Beetle, and I was putting, you know, drilling holes and running electric. I could have definitely used these. I ended up putting tape around the wires when I could have done it a lot neater like this. What I may am doing is maybe taking these little grommets, you know, after the fact, because the wires are already through. Put a slot. You can put a slit in here, get it around the wires, and then just slide it in. And I think that'll hold as well. So you can use it 2 different ways that way. As for this tool, basically just used to cut wood. See how strong it is. Oh yeah, it's just gonna eat right through. You know, it's really for branches. Well, you can see a couple of strokes. It's got some heavy duty teeth on it. You'll cut right through some small branches. You know, nice to have also in the car, or if you're in the woods, you need some making a fire, you can cut some wood up with this easily. So there you go. There's my Temu finds. You know, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can say 7 essential items for automotive, or, you know, the handyman type guy working on stuff. Is it a scam? No. Ships free. Returns are free, like I said. Here's the bag. It usually comes in a bag. You know, if any issues, you let them know and they take care of it right away. I've never had any problems. I mean, in fact, it's so automated that if you have an issue, it's taken care of, and this is no exaggeration. It feels like 10 seconds. You got yourself a credit or whatever you need to do. It's taken care of. So download the Temu app. I'll give you the link. $100 in coupons, 30% off, free shipping, free returns. Same products you would get locally, cheaper on Temu. So why spend all your hard-earned money if you don't have to? I like the best deal. That's what I go for. Best deal, best quality. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Temu.